Okay, across the way is Pacific Mall. Check out this splendid China Mall. There's a restaurant entrance. Behind here is the Milliken GO station. One moment. So, what are we? Steeles and Kennedy, I believe. So we're gonna go in and check it out. Nice. All right, this is my first time in splendid China Mall here in Scarborough. I did a short recording just to see and scope it out before I go live. So I still wanted to go live here, and it wasn't even much to see. As you can see, a lot of shops are not open, and a lot of vacancies, empty storefronts. Yeah, unfortunately, but it looks clean. The floors look clean and shiny and good lighting. So I actually Googled as I'm editing, and I see a lot of people leaving comments about this is a dead mall. And I also saw a video on Instagram, I think, and somebody made it look like it was really something to see, like the food court and all that, but I going up the escalator to check out the food court, and there was nothing to say. It wasn't even a food court. It was like 4 vendors, maybe. You can't call that a food court. A while back on a TV show, I watched a segment on a dead mall that turned into the second floor into apartments in Providence, Rhode Island. I thought, what a great idea. There are micro apartments on the second floor. Tiny apartments ranging from 225 to 775 square feet. 2014, Providence Arcade reopened as the micro apartment complex after their closure back in 2008. I will share the links in the description of what I've found in my research. So the links on videos of Providence Arcade. It would be great to see the owners, Splendid China Mall, move all these tenants down, the business tenants down to the main floor, convert the second floor into micro apartments. This goes for all dead malls in Markham, Scarborough, downtown Toronto, North York, wherever there's a dead mall. They should rethink and do something to bring in more business, which is micro apartments. And thank you for watching.